My dear sweetie, don't run. Stop, stop. You may fall down.
Amma, I am very hungry. Please give me something to eat now.
I have prepared the tasty Parupu Urundai for you. I know that you like them very much.
Wow, Parupu Urundai, I like them very much. They are tasty. I want to eat them now. Come, let's go to eat.
It's okay, my dear. Let us go to eat now.
Ah, tasty Parupu Urundai. On seeing them, my mouth is watering. I'm going to eat them now. These are tasty. Unhealthy too. I have eaten enough. My stomach is full now.
Dear friends, shall we count how many Parupu Urundais are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 Parupu Urundai. Now, shall we know how many Parupu Urundai that the baby elephant ate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let us find the number of Parupu Urundai left. Total number of Parupu Urundai 13. Number of Parupu Urundai eaten by the elephant calf 6. Number of Parupu Urundai left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Parupu Urundais are left.